this stuff is awesome.
I know, it's...
It's great.
Yep. I can see myself in the mirror, so it's kind of cool.
I'm really tired. We should be going to bed, but we're not because
I'm making funny faces. Ashley, you're a pregnant fish. Ew.
Blah. Blah.
Nasty.
Amp is good.
Don't drink it. It could be mine or Jessica's. We don't know.
This is vault.
That could be mine or Lindsay's. We don't know.
It's amazing.
Ashley, move so I can see my sexy self in the mirror. Ashley, you're boring.
Brittany, look. I'm giving you.
Hey, hold on. Okay, hold on.
I love you, Jakey.
You're not doing it now. You did it before.
Ow.
Last time I said that.
Fucking ass.
You rolled your eyes and you made a sound. And then I said, and then you're being stupid, so bye.